First, I connect to a radio base that transmits data from the AI assistant to all other connected devices. Once the connection is active, I test the Analyze button. This feature notifies the AI about the type of data it's handling. Every device connected to the system can include a small set of usage instructions, making it easier for the AI to understand and assist. Next, I use the Commands button. This extracts only the actionable commands from the text, separating them from any descriptive lines or noise. Now, let's look at the live chat feature. You can ask real-time questions to the AI about the connected system, and it will respond based on current data and memory. Speaking of memory, the system uses a memory.txt file located in the installation folder. This file contains all key instructions needed to operate your specific devices. In this example, all devices I'm working with are already documented in that file. If you want to modify the memory, make sure to run both the software and the memory file as administrator. In this demo, I change one key parameter. I set the maximum value for a servo from 255 to 3000. Then, I test the scaling by sending different values and observing how the AI interprets and responds to this new instruction set. You can also update the memory file manually whenever the AI gives you new, useful information about the device you're working with, clicking on Save to Memory. This ensures it stays synchronized with your latest system behavior. Thanks for watching. Please comment if there's something specific you'd like to learn. Remember to subscribe, activate the bell, and give us a like. See you next time.